Welcome back to the channel. Today, you are about to witness an incredible display of professional fish cutting skills. What you're seeing here is a massive Pangas fish, freshly brought to the market, and prepared by an expert who has mastered this craft through years of experience. Take a moment to look at the size of this fish. Pangas is known for its thick flesh, powerful body, and smooth skin. Handling a fish of this size is not easy, and cutting it requires strength, balance, and precision. As the cutter begins, notice how calmly and confidently he works. There is no rush. Every movement is controlled, and every cut is intentional. This is not just about speed, it's about technique. The knife plays a very important role here. A sharp, well-balanced blade allows clean cuts through thick meat and strong bones.
Mood, focused, peaceful, precision work, ocean-inspired calmness. No voice, no lyrics, no chanting. Sound should be smooth and continuous, perfect for long cutting scenes. Streakable for American and global YouTube audience. Monetization safe, copyright free. Avoid aggressive beats, sudden drops, long transitions, and myself loop from finish.
You can see how the cutter adjusts the angle of the knife, applying the right amount of pressure without damaging the flesh. Now watch closely as the outer skin is separated. Pangas fish skin is tough, and removing it cleanly takes real skill. One wrong move could waste valuable meat, but experience makes all the difference. This process might look simple, but it's the result of years of daily practice. Professional fish cutters learn by repetition, by observation, and by making mistakes along the way. Over time, their hands develop memory, knowing exactly where to cut without hesitation. As the fish is opened, you'll notice the clean internal structure. The cutter carefully removes unwanted parts, keeping the edible sections intact. Cleanliness and hygiene are extremely important in fish processing, especially for market-ready seafood. Now the real artistry begins, filleting. Each slice follows the natural lines of the fish. The goal is to produce evenly sized pieces that are perfect for cooking, selling, or freezing.
Steady and relaxing. Mood, focused, peaceful, precision work, ocean-inspired calmness. No voice, no lyrics, no chanting. Sound should be smooth and continuous, perfect for long cutting scenes. Streakable for American and global YouTube audience. Monetization safe, copyright free. Avoid aggressive beats, sudden drops, long transitions, and myself loop from finish.
For viewers in America and around the world, this kind of video offers a rare look into traditional fish processing. It shows how food reaches our plates long before it enters a kitchen. Many people only see fish once it's neatly packed in stores. But here you see the raw skill behind the scenes, real hands, real tools, and real experience at work. The cutter maintains focus throughout the process. There is no wasted movement. Efficiency like this comes from doing the same task hundreds, even thousands of times. Listen to the sound of the knife against the cutting surface. That sound tells a story: sharp steel, solid technique, and confidence in every motion. Pangas fish is popular for its mild flavor and soft texture. That's why it's widely used in curries, fried dishes, grilled recipes, and seafood meals across many cultures. As the pieces come together, you can see how the fish is transformed from a single massive body into clean, usable portions.
Mood, focused, peaceful, precision work, ocean-inspired calmness. No voice, no voice, no lyrics, no chanting. Sound should be smooth and continuous, perfect for long cutting scenes. Streakable for American and global YouTube audience. Monetization safe, copyright free. Avoid aggressive beats, sudden drops, long transitions, and myself from finish.
This transformation is what makes fish cutting both practical and fascinating to watch. There's something satisfying about seeing a job done properly. No shortcuts. No mess. Just pure craftsmanship. Videos like this are enjoyed not only for food preparation, but also for their calming and almost therapeutic effect. The steady rhythm, the focused movements, and the visual clarity make it easy to watch. This is why fish cutting videos have become popular across social media platforms. They combine skill, tradition, and real-world work in one place. If you're someone who enjoys cooking, seafood, or professional skills, this type of content gives you a deeper appreciation for the effort behind every meal. As the process continues, notice how nothing goes to waste. Each usable part is separated carefully. This is important both economically and ethically.
Created to note instrumental. Background music for professional fish. Cutting in seafood. Processing video. Style. Calm. Clean. Satisfying. Professional great background music. Those talents sucked and million pads. Gentle piano. Deep, warm bass, subtle air tried touch right, slow to caution. Tempo, smir to mid-tempo, steady and relaxing. Mood, focused, peaceful, precision work, ocean-inspired calmness. No voice, no voice, no lyrics, no chanting. Sound should be smooth and continuous, perfect for long cutting scenes. Streakable for American and global YouTube audience. Monetization safe, copyright free. Avoid aggressive beats, sudden drops, long transitions, and myself from finish.
Respect for food starts at preparation. A skilled cutter understands the value of what's in front of him. By the end of this process, what once looked like an intimidating giant fish becomes a set of clean, market-ready cuts. That's the power of experience and discipline. Thank you for watching this incredible fish cutting process. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and support the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing food preparation and professional skill videos.
Processing video. Style. Calm. Clean. Satisfying. Professional great background music. Those talents sucked and million pads. Gentle piano. Deep, warm bass. Subtle air tried touch right, slow to caution. Tempo, smir to mid-tempo, steady and relaxing. created to nerd instrumental. Background music for professional fish, cutting in seafood, processing video. Style, calm, clean, satisfying. Professional kinetic background music. Those talents sucked and pads, gentle piano, deep warm bass, subtle erythroid clitoris, right slow to cushion. Tempo,